Hello, hello, hello. This is your boy one out of 20%. I'm back for another market recap. This time it's very, very early. Usually I don't come to the market this early, but yeah, I'm so early this morning, and it was a very quick trade. I wouldn't identify as a scalp, but just a rotation continuation. So basically my trade today was based of what happened yesterday. So there was a continuation yesterday. The market was trading yesterday. The market closed above the 29.43, above this price, and this morning opened slightly above it. So when I got on the market was already trading towards upside. So there was a pullback. um, there was a pullback on the VWAP where the sellers, they tried to rotate the market back to this previous CVA, or back to where the market was, but they failed. So as they failed in here, what I've decided to do was, I have decided just to wait for a little confirmation on the market to make sure that I take my longs, because my bias for the day was to take in longs only. The two reasons that made me take longs was, first, the market opened above the 29.43, so it was trading above the previous value area, and then was the failure to rotate twice. So the market went open around here, went down, went up, and went down again. So there was three failures, I would say, and that would confirm my entry at any time. So what I was waiting, realistically, it was the market to trade above the VWAP. So as soon as the market broke the VWAP and start trading above, I've waited a little bit. The reason why I didn't enter straight away, it was just because I was waiting for this level over here to be broken as well. That was kind of a second confirmation for me, to make sure that I could just enter my positions. So as the buyers broke that level that I call price, of course, around 29.53. As soon as the price was broken, and then the buyers start trading and looking for more value, I entered one position. So as the market opened, I entered one position. There was a little pullback, but the market was still trading above that level, and I apply another position. So I took two long positions. So in the market, traded. My objective was to trade from here to here, and that's what happened. So the market traded from here to here all over. I didn't make much today, but it was alright. I believe for the time that I've been here, I was trading this position for at least max 5 to 10 minutes, no longer than this. So for 5 10 minutes, I was able to make $158 with a little bit of commissions and everything. So $158. Let me just show the order field. So as you can see, the order was filled from the point that I told you guys, from here. My first position was here on top. As the market went down, I have decided to take another shot and let the market be driven all the way to this level over here, around 29.64. So the buyers could sell enough to give more value to the goal at this momentum. And yes, I'm glad it's not that much, $158. With a little bit of commissions and fees, it might decrease maybe to 155, 154, not sure. But yes, so the challenge continue. We're still doing the challenge in Apex, so we're still doing it. We're not making as much as I wanted, but at least, like I said, all the green matters. So this is another position field, another order field, another positive trade. Things twilight was just wait for the rotation failure. There was two rotation failures, and the second one was wait for the buyers, in this case the buyers for me, to break the VWAP or the average price. The third one, those two were two confirmations. The third confirmation was just see the buyers breaking this level and drive the market into to the other side. So I could have done it earlier, but I decided to be more cautious and wait for three confirmations. So I had my three confirmations over here, and I believe having these three confirmations was imperial for me. So rotation failure, VWAP being broken, and then our levels being broken too. So the breakout was alright. The market was on rotation, but the way the market just break those levels for me were key and were enough to make the profit of the day. So thank you guys. I appreciate your time. I know it's early in the morning. The the trading day is not finished. It just started, but for me, I've made as much as I wanted for the day. Probably could make a little bit more. I don't know how the market will react later on, but this one was my this amount was more or less my objective. I believe I could take a little bit more, but for now this is enough. And yeah, thank you once again. If you have any questions, comment on the section below, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Enjoy your day and good luck for your trade. Thanks.